Got one. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's the craziest thing I've ever seen, and you cannot beat that, just what has happened. All right guys, I'm up the front of my boat and I'm gonna show you something pretty special that is going to 100% help you catch a lot of fish, especially off the front of ledges and off areas where wind or current make it extremely difficult for you to see that piece of structure or fish with live, Mega Live or your 360. So we're in this exact scenario and I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. So up here, we have a stump and some fish directly behind the boat. We've got the wind blowing this way. I'm spot locked in front of this stump, and if you look, we have no fish and no stump on 360. We have no fish, no structure on live, nothing directly under the boat. But I know that that piece of structure or that fish is behind the boat, and I want to see it. I want to see my jig, I want to see the fish, and I want to continually make those accurate casts. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come to this boat icon at the top of my Solix here. I'm going to hit that, and I have it in front view, so 360s viewing everything up the front of my boat, and I'm going to turn it on to rear view. Now look at that. This is this big bad boy stump with lots of structure and fish all around it. 360 is going to give us another sweep, and we can actually see some other stumps around it, and we can see the edge of the drop off and the hard spots through here. And so now I can see that, and this is the most unbelievable part of it all. I'm going to hit on this piece of structure when it comes past, because I want to see live. I want to see what fish got nothing on there. I'm going to hit on this piece of structure, I'm going to hold it down, and I'm going to hit target lock. It's a brand new feature. Now watch what Mega Live does. There it is right there. And now it is target locked onto that big stump and those fish. And here's another crazy piece. I'm going to walk to the back of the boat, and I'm going to actually look at these back grass, and I'm going to make the perfect cast, and I'm going to look at live and 360 on my console grass and fish this perfect bit of structure while I'm in spot lock. You cannot beat it. That is what Humminbird have utilized, total boat control between my Minn Kota, my Solix, everything talking to each other. And I can sit back here and fish and still see everything that's going on. I'm in that stump now. Look at that, I'm right in that stump. Literally my first cast, looked back, made the cast and put the perfect cast with the jig right in that stump. Got one. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is not made up, guys. This is one shot. This is one play. Are you kidding? If you want to know if it all works in the exact scenario, real time, real life scenario, bass fishing. Dude, I just got goosebumps. Look at this fat thing. That is one shot, one play. This is our very first day out on the water with Mega Live TargetLock, and it has been ridiculously simple, and it has caught us two giants in literally the first little spot that we fished. And we just showed how spot lock, Mega Live 360, viewing it all from the back, and I can now walk to the back through my jig. It made the perfect cast. I watched the jig fall into the structure, I worked it in, and that fish bit, set the hook and got it in. That's the craziest thing I've ever seen, and it's making my life on the water very, very nice.